Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to stop this from happening, right? Your door hitting the wall and making those really bad marks. We're going to talk about door stoppers, the types of them, and how to install them. So this is the popular door stoppers. This one just goes into molding, like this. Then there's another type that goes into the floor. I really like this ones because they're small, like you don't see them that well. The only problem with them is that you actually have to go into your floor, and sometimes you don't have that option. In my case, I have a hard boot that goes into the plywood. Actually, there are 2 layers of plywood, but so there's no problem with that, right? But let's say if you're installing in basement where you have a laminate and then the concrete, this is not going to be ideal. So these are good, but not ideal. Okay, so how do we install this simple door stopper into the molding, right? So first of all, you want to make sure you choose the right position, because you can install it anywhere on this path, right? Ideally, you want to install it somewhere at the end, right? Close to the end of the door, right? The reason for that is because if you actually install it here, there are 2 issues, right? First of all, the angle of how door is closing is going to be from this side. And also, the closer you get to the hinges of the door, the higher torque you have, right? So what that means, it means that there is a lot of pressure applied on this direction. So then these things might, get messed up. I've seen this happening before. Okay, so what we're gonna do in order to install it right next to it, all we have to do is, we have our cover, right? We're gonna put it like this. Then we're gonna install the screw into it, and then we're gonna roll this in. I have only 2 hands, so I will do that, and I'm gonna show you the final result. Yeah, so basically screwed our plate in. Right now, all we have to do is just put this in, right? And this goes, there's a little hole. Just go like this. You rotate it until it stops. There you go, looks like it's stable. Make sure to tell your kids don't play with this, or your dogs. There you go. So now it works perfectly. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to hear about anything else. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.